Cara, and today we're going to look at some yoga exercises that you can do at your desk. So when you're ready, just come to a comfortable sitting position in your chair. We're going to start very simply with bringing one ear towards the shoulder. As you inhale, bring the head through center. As you exhale, bring the ear towards the other shoulder. And then inhale through center, exhale to lean. Inhale through and exhale to lean. And then releasing back through center. Bring your hands to touch your knees. On your next inhale, you slide your hands back, roll your shoulders back, lift the chest forward. As you exhale, we're going to round the center of the back behind you. Press the space between the shoulder blades back behind you. Inhale, shoulders back, chest forward. Exhale, curl and round. Inhale, shoulders back, chest forward. Exhale to curl. And then inhale, lift back up through center. Now we're going to focus on the shoulders. We're going to take a few big circles back and around. So as you inhale, shoulders go forward and up. Exhale, back and around behind you. I'm just taking a few big circles, rolling those shoulders back and just working on your range of motion. Next time they come back and down, we'll leave them there. And then we're going to have a little stretch with the legs. So when you're ready, bring one leg towards forward and straight, and the hand can just clasp together beneath the upper leg. And you're bringing one leg towards forward and straight just till you feel some resistance. For some of you, you might be able to lift the leg higher. For some of you, you'll have a bend in the knee and the foot will be lower. But as you do this, I want you to focus on your spine being nice and long and feeling tall sitting on your sit bones rather than slouching to try and get the leg higher. So you're keeping sat up nice and tall, hips in a nice strong position, pushing away through the foot. And then release that leg. Swapping over to the other side, same again. You might notice this side's a little bit tighter or a little bit weaker. You're just pushing away through the foot, feeling the shoulders roll back, reaching up through the top of your head and holding for a few nice deep breaths. And then release that leg down. Good. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring the shin across the other leg. And then you're pressing the knee down and away from you, just however much is comfortable for you. So it's not forcing the leg down. You're just feeling with the leg as though it's pushing down and away from you. Again, you want to be tall on the sit bones. You don't want to slump down. You probably won't feel too much of a stretch there. You want to stay up nice and tall as much as you can. And you've got that shin about parallel to the hips forward. So it's not at an angle right tucked in, it's about parallel. Then you've got your right shin across and it will be the right hand fingertips to temple, or if you've gone with the left leg, you can do left fingertips to temple. And we're going to open up and back behind you. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, twist across, elbow towards the foot. Inhale to open into a twist. Exhale to twist and curl back forward. Inhale, opening back. And exhale forward, and this time we'll stay folding forward. Think about the chest leaning towards the shin. Just going as far as feels comfortable. If it feels like that's too much, you stay up a little bit higher. Some of you, you'll be able to fold right over that shin. And then take your time to come back out of it. Bring your foot down to the ground, and we'll do exactly the same on the other side. So bring that foot across right on the upper leg, right by the knee. And then I've got my left shin, so it would be my left fingertips to your temple. Inhale, opening back. Exhale, elbow across towards the ankle, the toes. Inhale to reach back. Exhale to curl. Inhale to extend. And then exhale to curl and hold there. Again, you can release and just have that little bend forward. Again, notice if it feels better to be up high or if you can go a little bit further. And you might notice this side is very different to the other side, and that's quite normal to have one side that's different to the other. Good, holding for a couple more breaths. And then releasing back up. Good, and I hope you feel just that little bit looser after doing some of those stretches, and let me know if you enjoyed them and how you feel after them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed that and if you want more videos like that. Have a lovely, lovely day.